Do you want to know how you can join Midjourney's Discord server? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join Midjourney's Discord server. Go ahead and open Discord, which is on your PC. Now, what you need to do is click on Add Server, which is over here. After you click on Add Server, go ahead and click Join the Server and write down Midjourney over here. After you click Midjourney or write down Midjourney, click Join Server. You can see that you will join Midjourney's server quite easily. Now, as you have joined Midjourney's server, you can get into its voice chat, some channels such as newbies, and you can also get the support from trial support or billing support as well. So, this is how you join Midjourney's Discord server. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.